After the successful breakout from the symmetrical triangle, GBPUSD bears made another bearish pressure after consolidation at the 1.3358 area. However, the long selling pressure from the 1.3620 level might find ground at the 1.3169 key demand area. This technical analysis shows the selling pressure from the symmetrical triangle was strong, pointing out a strong seller's presence. Moreover, the MACD histogram supported bears by making new lows below the zero level. In that case, buying pressures from 1.3222 to 1.3170 demand zone would be a solid investment opportunity in the GBPUSD. Based on the current market context, the price is likely to correct higher towards the 1.3400 area in the coming days. However, a break below the 1.3170 level with a bearish daily candle might alter the current market structure and initiate a bearish movement towards the 1.2850 area.